Hi, my name is Preetha. I welcome you to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make Rasgulla. It's a very popular dessert and super simple to make. It just has a few tricks and tips which I will be sharing as we go along. Stick around until the very end and watch me make it. The ideal vessels to use here would be 2 large stock pots or sauce pots. Let's take 2 large lemons and get the juice out of them. Strain the juice so that we don't have any pulp or seeds inside. So this should be our first step actually. Here I have my first large sauce pot ready, and to this I will add about 2 liters of milk. Full fat milk. These dishes are usually prepared using buffalo milk. Of course, I don't have access to buffalo milk, so it's full fat cow milk. We'll heat the milk on medium heat until it starts to boil and keep stirring. Once it starts to boil and rise up like you see here, we can switch off the stove and move it aside. We'll allow it to cool down a little and add a little bit of cold water to bring the temperature down. Next up, we'll grab our lemon juice and add it slowly to our boiled milk, a little at a time, and stir gently until our milk curdles. We will add lemon juice up until the point our whey is clear. So this is how you want it to be. Now, we'll take it here. Now separate the whey from the curdled milk. The curdled milk is what we will use to prepare the rasgulla. Here I'm adding a little bit of water to make sure that the sour taste of the lemons is gone. Let's go ahead and strain this. Remember that you are working with very hot liquids here, so be very careful. Separate the milk solids as much as possible from the whey so that we are left with curdled milk that is not sticky but more just a little moist and soft. I made a mistake here. You will see me fix it in a little bit. We will knead our curdled milk until it gets soft and it has no clumps. Expect to do this kneading for about 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, I know it looks messy, but you don't want to skip this step. It's very important. Do you see how much of this curdled milk is sticking to my fingers and palm? This is the mistake I made. I should have squeezed more of the water out, but I didn't. Let's fix it. Since I have taken 2 liters of milk, I can go ahead and add about 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour to rectify my mistake. But ideally, you don't want to be adding all-purpose flour. But hey, it looks good, doesn't it? Alright, it's time for our second sauce pot. Now we will go ahead and prepare a saturated sugar solution. We'll take about 250 grams of sugar for every liter of milk we've taken. I've taken 2 liters of milk, so in the minimum I will take about 500 grams of sugar. Notice my sugar is unrefined. They're from different stores, hence the change in color. Now we'll add enough water to the sugar to dissolve it and bring it to a rolling boil on medium to high heat. While the sugar solution is getting ready, we're going to make small balls using our curdled milk mixture. There shouldn't be any cracks on the balls either. These little balls of curdled milk expand quite a bit, so you want to keep the little balls small. After they've been added, we will cook on high heat with a lid on continuously for about 13 to 15 minutes. If you fail to lift the lid regularly and let the steam go out, it will boil over, so watch out for this. These curdled milk balls will be cooked for 15 minutes constantly on high heat, which is why we provide adequate amount of water right at the beginning. You don't want to be adding water when it is boiling. It is not ready to eat it at this stage. You need to wait until it's chilled for at least 6 hours. This is our lovely Rasgulla. Try it, you will enjoy it. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.